Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to fix Right Games client Valorant update stuck or not updating. So please follow the steps with me and let's get started. Okay, first of all, close down Right Games if it's open and make sure it's not running in the background. So to do that, just go to your task manager and in here check to see if Valorant and Right Game is running, close them. First of all, it's better to disable any third-party antivirus or Windows security on your computer. And the next solution, on your desktop, right click on Valorant, go to Properties, then click on Compatibility tab, and over here make sure this one is checked. Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Next, check this one, run this program as administrator. Once you're done, click on Apply and OK. Follow the same process for Right client, so just right click on it, go to Properties, Compatibility, check this option, and also this one, run this program as administrator. Click on Apply and OK. And if the first solution didn't work, then you can try the next method. So open up your search bar and type in there Windows Defender Firewall and open it up. Then on the top, select allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. In here, click on change settings and next select allow another app. So now we need to add Right Vanguard, Right Game and Valorant file to the Firewall allowed exceptional list. So to do that, just click on Browse and on the left select local disk C drive. Then look for Right Games folder and open it up. Next, Right Client. Over here, select Right Client Services and click on Open. Then click on Add. Once you add it, make sure both private and public is checked. After this, we need to add Valorant, so we need to follow the same process. Just click on allow another app, browse again, local disk and Right Games folder. Over here, select Valorant folder, then live and select Valorant and click on open, click on add. So as you can see, Bootstrap Packguard game is added, so now we need to make sure both is checked, private and public. Next, we need to add Valorant Win64. So just click on allow another app, browse, shooter game, binaries, Win64, and over here select Valorant Win64 and click on open. Then click on add. So again, make sure both options are checked. And the last one that we need to add is Right Vanguard. So follow the same process, click on allow another app, then browse, select local disk C, then program files, and in here look for Right Vanguard folder. Open it up and select vgc.exe and click on open. And then click on add. Okay, after added to the list, then I will make sure both public and private is checked. Once you finished in here, then click OK. And after that, make sure to restart your device. Next solution, open up your command prompt. So to do that, just go to search bar and type in there CMD. Make sure to run it as administrator. We need to type these two commands in the command prompt. These commands will be in the video description. The next one, copy and paste it in here. And once you're done, just restart your computer. After you restarted your computer, then go to local disk C drive and program files. Look for Right Vanguard folder. Once you find it, make sure to delete it. After that, make sure to restart your device. Then launch the Right Games and log into your account. Once you signed in, then you will see an update. So just go ahead and update it. Hopefully one of these solutions will work for you. So please don't forget to let me know in the comments below. And that's all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider supporting me and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.